Tell me what do you see when you looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who I'm missing to be, what I'm destined to be. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa. I've been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle is nothing but love. I'm a soldier, a rider, a ghetto survivor, and all the above. All the above, all the above, all the above. Tell me, what do you see when you looking at me? See me come up from nothing, see me living my dream, and no one really cared when I was up in there, locked up behind the bars, and I was really scared. But when I look at you, you asking what I see. If I told you the truth, you wouldn't like me. But I'ma tell you this, I'ma be okay, and that's on everything. Can you say the fucking same? When I needed you, you wasn't there for me, and I was calling you every single day, you see. But that is okay, everybody out for self. When I needed you, you ain't out for fucking help. Where is everybody when you fucking need 'em? Where is all the kids so I can fucking feed 'em? Cause you ain't gon' do it, you a fucking lie. Get out my face, dog, why don't you fucking die? Tell me, what do you see when you looking at me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm missing the beat, what I'm destined to be. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa. I've been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle is nothing but love. I'm a soldier, a rider, a ghetto survivor, and all the above. All the above, all the above, all the above. There is hate in the world, and yeah, it's a lot. We got politicians with their hands in the pot. What is wrong with the world? Why we can't get along? Why are the kids dying? That shit is fucking wrong. Where are the parents at? And why they so young? Got kids at 13, that shit ain't fucking fun. Open the book and read it, or is that shit too hard? Or would you rather get shot and have a fucking scar? I don't understand, or where we going to? I know where we been, and I don't think it's cool. So do yourself a favor and go back to school, or get a real job and do it real soon. We ain't got much time, time is ticking fast. It ain't stopping for you, man, so get the fucking cash. So the moral of the story is do your fucking best, or rise to the top to pass the fucking test. I'm out on the block, flying too hard cause it's all the same. They know, and you know that grind don't stop because I rose to the top and everybody knows my name. They know, still riding, you hustling, no more pain, no more sun, no more suffering from my ladies and my soul.